Along with the rest of the country, the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, in collaboration with the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, today organized the 4th edition of the 10-kilometer run starting from Polo First Ground. Flagged off by Meghalaya Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs, Shaklyar Warjiri, the run covered various landmarks in Shillong, providing participants with a scenic and challenging course. Starting from JN Stadium Gate Number 1, the run culminated at JN Stadium Gate Number 1. Isawanda Lalu, Director of Sports and Youth Affairs, was also present. The winners of the Olympic Day run were awarded cash prizes and certificates during the prize distribution ceremony held at SSA Stadium.
Government nakaliang department nakapor ni Julia ki babon mungkin ki events mungkin ki mo ki sports ki bangin kentiu bangin ai ka platform nakam ta ki kun samla ki jungi akaba kinla bakin le kham bahas susu ka sports tikani ru ka dikawin ki platform bangi kerman baling ba kini ki marathon len kini sports ka ba mangin nakaliang ka government ni organize baling ba kita ki sports bangi organize kan